LinkedIn, the professional networking platform, boasts a significant user base and strong engagement, making it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals alike. Here's some key LinkedIn statistics to consider. Users. LinkedIn has surpassed the 1 billion user mark, solidifying its position as the leading platform for professional connections globally. This user base spans over 200 countries and territories. Job seekers. Millions leverage LinkedIn for job hunting. Weekly, an impressive 49 million users actively search for new opportunities on the platform. Demographics. Millennials are the dominant demographic, making up around 60% of LinkedIn users. Interestingly, the platform has a higher percentage of male users compared to females, with a split of roughly 57% male and 43% female. Content consumption. While not as prevalent as posting, content consumption is strong on LinkedIn. There are 450 million newsletter subscriptions globally, indicating a user base interested in professional content. Business. LinkedIn is a financially successful platform. Revenue reached $15 billion in the fourth quarter of 2023, showcasing its value proposition for businesses.